In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file that clients can update in HoneyBook using shared docs. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance collaboration and streamline workflow with clients. Whether you're managing a project, collecting feedback, or sharing important documents, being able to set up an interactive, updatable file can be a real game changer. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to create a new smart file. To do this, navigate to your Projects tab and open the relevant project. This is where you'll manage all your projects and organize associated files, so having everything in one place is incredibly convenient. Once in the project, look for the Create New option or the little plus icon, depending on the version you're using. Here, you'll have the option to choose from various file types like a questionnaire or a proposal. Whether you decide to start from one of HoneyBook's templates or prefer a blank slate for full customization, both have their unique advantages depending on your workflow needs. Once you have your new file open, it's time to add some interactive blocks to make the document truly collaborative. In the file builder, you'll notice a large plus button. Clicking this will allow you to add various content blocks. If you want clients to provide feedback or information, select questions to add text fields or multiple choice options. For allowing clients to upload documents directly, which can be particularly useful for contract review or additional materials, select File Upload. Additionally, you can add a services block if you want to include a pricing list or a selection menu for your clients. These features can really take your client engagement to the next level by allowing them to interact directly with the document. With your content blocks in place, you'll need to configure the file settings to ensure it's shared appropriately. Locate the gear icon in the top right corner. Clicking it will open your file settings. It's really important to make sure that file access is toggled on for your intended recipients. You might want to consider whether you want the clients to edit the document or just view it, as you can switch a file to view-only mode if necessary, which can be a useful feature for more sensitive documents. Finally, it's time to share your new smart file with the client. Go ahead and select Share in the upper right corner. You'll now have the option to compose an email directly from HoneyBook, which will include the file link, or, if you prefer, you can generate a direct link for broader sharing options, such as sending via text. Once you're ready, hit send, and your interactive document is now on its way to your client. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and shared a file in HoneyBook that your clients can update. This process makes it easier than ever to maintain seamless communication and improve collaborative efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy file sharing!